Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you're fine. This is Mrs. Teixeira. Last class, we study our vocabulary, idioms, and today it's time to start our grammar. The title of our grammar is Cleft Sentences. You have already studied cleft sentences in your unit 2, okay? Just the beginning of cleft sentences. But today we will continue studying cleft sentences. But before, I need to review very fast with you what is cleft sentence. So when we talk about cleft sentence, I'm going to divide my sentence, the simple one, in two parts. But why, teacher? We use this to emphasize something in my cleft sentence. For example, I have John broke the window. Then I can write, it was John who broke the window. It was the window that John broke. Okay? I use it, the verb to be, the complement. Yes, we continue our sentence. Then who, that, and the sequence of our sentence. We can emphasize whichever part of the sentence we feel is important by making cleft sentences. Teacher, but I'm going to give emphasis in what? In what you want. I can give emphasis into the subject, object, adverbial of time, adverbial of place, as it depends how you are going to write your sentence. Check the example. Mary took her mother to a restaurant last night. Then you are going to say, it was Mary, emphasis in Mary. It was Mary who took her mother to a restaurant last night. Direct object, who he took to the restaurant? Her mother. It was her mother that Mary took to the restaurant last night. I'm going to give emphasis in time. Last night. It was last night that Mary took her mother to a restaurant. And if I want to give emphasis to the place, I'm going to say it was to a restaurant that Mary took her mother last night. So it depends of you where or which part of the sentences would you like to give more emphasis. Then you write it, okay? But look the sequence. It, verb to be, the word that you want to give emphasis, who, that, and the complement, okay? This is the structure. You can also use or you can also write cleft sentences using the expression all. I want a new coat for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is a new coat. A new coat is all I want for Christmas. Okay? So I use the word all to divide my sentence in two. Okay? Great. Now is the new part for you. When we talk about cleft sentences, we can write sentences using what, who, where, whoever, whatever, why, how, and the complement of my sentences. I'm going to give emphasis in different part of my sentence too. But these are called as pseudos cleft sentence because the original one we use it, and in this case we won't use it. We're going to use a question word to write our sentence, but the structure is very similar. Okay, you use the question word, the verb to be, and the complement of our sentence. Let's check some examples. She is ruining the party. What she's doing, first part, verb to be, is ruining the party. Okay? she like the clouds most? Who she like most? Verb to be were the clouds. She most enjoy going to the beach. Where she enjoy going most, verb to be, was to the beach. She enjoyed taking a holiday in winter most. When she enjoyed taking a holiday most, verb to be, was in winter. She took a holiday to get away from work. Why she took a holiday, verb to be, was to get away from work. Next, she paid for her holiday with a credit card. How she paid for her holiday, verb to be, was with a credit card. Another example. What John did was break a window. Who John will see is a neurologist. Where John went was Naples. Whoever broke the window is a liar. Why John broke the window is a mystery. How John broke the window is a mystery. Remember, the sentence with the question word, verb to be, and the complement. The first sentence with the question word, verb to be, and the complement. Okay? What we use to refer to the thing. Who, you know, to the person. Where, the place to which John went. Whoever, someone that you don't know. Why, to talk about reason. And how, we use to talk about the way. Great. Okay? So remember, the Cleft sentences are divided in two category sentences. The original one, we use it to write my sentences, okay? And the pseudo ones, we use question words. Great. Now, guys, we're going to do some exercises on your book. Okay, page 30. As you can see, the title is Cleft sentence number 2. You have a short explanation here. Okay, take your time and read this explanation. But I prefer the explanation that is on this page 115. So as I told you, how can we write our Cleft sentence? We use a question word, okay, subject plus verb, verb to be, and the complement of my sentence. Great? Take your time and read this explanation. You can pause the video and read it. And which exercise I want to do with you is exercise 3, okay? Rewrite the sentences using Cleft sentences. Remember, where, why, what, how, whoever, whatever, when. Don't ask me where I was last night. It's none of your business. So how can I write my sentence? You know that you're going to use where. It's like, onde eu estava na noite passada não é importante para você. No, it's none of your business. So how can I say this? Where I was last night. Now I need the verb to be is none of your business. Great. Next one. They are learning Chinese, but isn't clear why they are doing it. So you are going to use the question word why. Think about it. Pause the video and try to do this. So I'm going to say in Portuguese. O porquê eles estão aprendendo chinês, não ficou claro. So how can I say this in English? Why they are learning Chinese isn't clear. So I use my question word, the idea of my sentence, verb to be, and the complement, the comment of my sentence. The date of the next Justin Bieber tour is closely guarded secret. So you can use in here what? O que está guardado é a data do show. So how can I write this? What is a closely secret? Now the verb to be is the date of the next Justin Bieber tour. Wait, boys, soon you will know the date. Okay, the government have decided where they will build the new power station. So you are going to use the question word where. Onde o governo vai construir ainda não foi decidido. So how can I say? Where the government will build the new power station é algo que não foi decidido. Is something they haven't decided. Oh, I think I should do with is something they haven't decided. I will make the other ones also short. Okay, stop the video and copy the answers. Okay. Yes, now yes. Okay. Did you understand, guys? Yeah, it's not hard, so you're going emphasis in different parts of your sentence. When you use where, you give emphasis to the place. Why, you give emphasis to the reason. What, you give emphasis to something. Where, you give emphasis to the place. Great. If you didn't finish, you can pause the video and later you continue. Okay? What I'm going to do with you now is an exercise that you don't have on your book. I'm going to open it just to practice. Okay? So you don't have this exercise on your book. Is this one? Just a minute. It's this. To match the sentence, okay? However you achieve that ambition is a question how you achieve that ambition is a question. What is the best? Is not obvious at all, really matter to you, up to you, a mystery, a funny story, or only you can answer? Only you can answer. However, you invite, my God, I'm always reading wrong, sorry. Who you invite to the party is, you decide. Who you invite to the party is up to you. Where we stay doesn't. Where we stay doesn't really matter to me. How we met is quite. How we met is quite a funny story. Who sent me that Valentine's card remains a mystery. Excellent. Why you want to come to this restaurant? Why you wanted to come to this restaurant? It's not obvious at all. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. You can search some extra exercises online, okay? Cleft sentences exercises. You can type on Google and you will find some options, okay? Thanks for the class. Bye-bye.